This is a beautifully maintained home in a very desirable East Appleton location, conveniently close to a large variety of dining and shopping options. Cooking and baking will be a joy in the extra-large kitchen/dining area with plenty of counter space and natural light. The master suite is spacious, and has a walk-in closet and built-in drawers. Basement is unfinished and ready for you to build your own equity in this home, with workshop and shelving for all of your DIY projects. The garage is finished, with an epoxy floor finish. Whether you are enjoying coffee on your front porch or entertaining on your back patio, you will enjoy the privacy and beautiful landscaping of your new home. Offers to be reviewed Monday evening 12/27.